possible. Now we will carry over with the distributive multiplication over addition. We will see the distributive property. Distributive of multiplication over addition is nothing but we will have two operations, that is we will have both multiplication and addition. Whereas in closure property what we saw first or operation irundaka enna பண்ணுவோம் addition இருக்கும் இல்ல multiplication இருக்கும். Whereas in distributive property la multiplication ரெண்டு ஆபரேஷனும் at a time ல பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? multiplication as well as addition. multiplication இருக்கும் addition இருக்கும். One is addition and other is multiplication. See an example here. They have given an examples of distributive, that is 15 into 62. 15 into 62. 15 into 62 ங்கிறது பெரிய நம்பர். So multiplying this will be a bigger task, right? So இதை எப்படி இன்னும் சிம்பிளாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? see here இந்த 60 இப்போ இதில் கிரேட்டர் நம்பர் இது see here 62 இருக்குது இல்லை 15 இருக்குது. இந்த 62 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? கிரேட்டர் நம்பர் தான் எழுதணும் இல்லை, ஸ்மாலர் நம்பரும் you can split it and write. ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? see here in 62 60 plus 2 பண்ணாக்கா 62 am I right? See here 60 plus 2 பண்ணாக்க 62. Now what I am going to do is in the 15, let the 15 be like this. Now 62 மட்டும் 60 plus 2 னு எழுத போறேன். ஓகேவா? 60 plus 2. Now what I am going to do, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனும் இருக்கு அடிஷனும் இருக்கும். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? இந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் ஓவர் அடிஷனில் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனும் இருக்கும் அடிஷனும் இருக்கும். see here multiplication is also there, addition is also there. இப்போ மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனாக கொடுத்து இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி sum 15 into 62 னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா you need to convert it into both addition and subtraction இருக்கிற மாதிரி you need to convert it. ஓகேவா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும், இந்த 15 உள்ளே கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா 15 into 60 plus 15 into 2. see here 15 into 60 plus 15 into 2. ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பர் either 15 or 62, இது ரெண்டு நம்பரில் ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பரை எப்படி பண்ணாக்கா சிம்பிளாக you can multiply like that you can do. see here 15 into 60 plus 15 into 2 பண்ணியிருக்கேனா? இப்போ now you can easily multiply. 15 into 60 பண்ணிங்கன்னா 900, 15 into 2 பண்ணிங்கன்னா 30. Now you can directly add 930. Distributive of multiplication over addition means you need to have both the operation, that is multiplication as well as the addition. So if they give only the multiplication, you need to convert it into both the operation. ரெண்டு operation multiplication இருக்கணும் addition இருக்கணும் மாதிரி you need to convert. okay students? அப்படி இல்லாட்டி see here 15 into 60 or 15 into 2 எப்படி பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same. 15 into 2 first multiply பண்ணாலும் சரி, 15 into 60 first multiply பண்ணாலும் சரி, the answer will be the same. Already I have said that if you do 2 into 5 also or 5 into 2 also, the answer 5 into 2 பண்ணாலும் சரி 10 தான், 2 into 5 பண்ணாலும் the answer will be same தான். okay students? So multiplication எப்படி change பண்ணி பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same. That is the example here. Next example we will see. Now we will see the next example, that is the problem solving example. see here Rakesh is the general secretary of sports club. He prepared 7 bouquets for the chief guest of annual sports meet. In his bouquet he used 8 lilies and 6 roses. Or bouquet prepare பண்றதுக்கு he is using 8 lilies and 6 roses. Find the total number of flowers he used for making the bouquets. ஒரு bouquetல what he is doing, he is having 8 lilies and 6 roses. அப்போ 7 bouquetsக்கு how many flowers he would have used ன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் இன் ஒன் bouquetல 8 lilies இருக்கும், 6 roses இருக்கும். ஸோ 8 plus 6 flowers இருக்கும். அப்போ 7 bouquetsல எவ்வளோ flowers இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். this is nothing but a distributive operation. what I have said, in distributive operation both multiplication and addition இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தாக்க what property is that? it is a distributive property. see here what I have said, 7 into 8 plus 6 இருக்கு. now 7 into 8 plus 6 means you need to bring that 7 to inside. so what you will do, 7 into 8 as well as plus 7 into 6. என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, 7 into 8 பண்ணுவீங்க. அடுத்து 8க்கும் +க்கும் என்ன ஆப்ரேஷன் நடுவில் இருக்குது, ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது. so you need to put plus here and put a bracket just to be without confusion. and next multiply 7 with 6. so 7 into 6. so 7 into 8 plus 7 into 6, 56 plus 42, that is nothing but 98 flowers. in 7 bouquets he will have 98 flowers. see here students, we will see here. see 7 into 8 plus 7 into 6 what we did last time, that is 7 into 8 plus 6 என்ன பண்ணோம், இதை செப்பரேட் பண்ணி எழுதணும் 7 இன்சைட் கொண்டு போய் எழுதணுமா whereas if you do directly also the answer will be the same. See here 7 into 8 plus 6 first என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க already I have said you need to know the board massல என்ன பண்ணணும் bracket தான் first remove பண்ணணும் 8 plus 6 is nothing but 14 so 7 into 14 is nothing but 98 இப்படி பண்ணாலும் சரி இப்படி பண்ணாலும் ஆர்டர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எப்படி பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same. This is the example of this. Now I will show the some more examples also. Now we will see the next example. See here we have multiplication of 15 and 73. Now you need to multiply this using distributive property of multiplication over addition. See here we have to multiply 15 and 73 using distributive property of multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition means you need to have both multiplication as well as addition operation. Now we will see how to solve this. See here 15 what they have said 15 into 73. How you will do in 15 into 73? You will have 15 into 73. இதை எப்படி இன்னும் ஈஸியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண because it is a small bigger number so how easily you can multiply ன்னு பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா இந்த 73 what they have written as 73 so 70 plus 3 is nothing but 73. Okay students 70 plus 3 is nothing but 73. Now we can write that as 15 into 70 plus 3. What I have said after writing like this now we have both multiplication and addition. Now it is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now take this 15 inside so when we take inside we will get 15 into 70 plus in the middle we have addition operation so plus then 15 into 3. What answer we are getting 15 into 70 is nothing but 1050 plus then 15 into 3 is nothing but 45. When we add both we will get 1095. This is nothing but distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is an example. I will try to show the practice zone 5 one example alone and you try to solve other remaining questions also. This is the first question of practice zone 5. In practice zone 5 I will solve only the first question A1. See here we have 26 into 72. Now how you will write this 26 into 72 in simpler form? How you will write here you will have 26 into how you will split the 70 plus 2. Now what you will do you need to take this 26 inside. If you take it inside 26 into 70 plus middle we have addition operation so plus then 26 into 2. Now you need to multiply 26 into 70 separately and then you need to multiply 26 into 2 separately and then add the two numbers you will get 1872. This is nothing but the first example of the practice zone 5. Only one example I will solve. You will solve the remaining first question B1 and the second question also. Second is a problem based question. I will solve one more question based on the problem. See here students, see the problem here. There are 13 plates with 27 biscuits in each plate. How many biscuits are there in all? What they are saying, in one plate they are having 27 biscuits. So in 13 plates how many biscuits we will have? So what you need to do? You need to multiply 13 into 27. Understood students? You need to solve this using distributive of multiplication over addition. Now what you will do? You need to split this or split this or else you split this 13 also. 10 plus 3 into 27. Now what you will do? You need to take this 27 inside. If you take this 27 inside what you will get? 27 into 10 plus 27 into 3. Okay students, now 27 into 10 is nothing but 270. Then you carry on with the 27 into 3. What is 27 into 3? 7 3s are 21. 1, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 81. Now you need to add both 270 plus 81. You will get the answer. This is nothing but the problem solving. Problems based on the problem solving. You need to carry over this like this. So try to solve the other questions also. I will give the assignments also. Try to solve all those things and be active in the Google Classroom students. Say your friends also to join the Google Classroom. Thank you students.